Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in our tech news today, we have 20 years of Gmail. Yes, April 1st, 2004 is when Gmail was online for the first time. At the time, the two most popular email providers were Yahoo Mail, which I was using a lot, and also Hotmail, which I had an account for the purpose of MSN Messenger, for those that remember that. But the first few things that changed Gmail is that once they were thinking about, how much storage we would have. If you remember, if you had Yahoo or Hotmail back in 2004, if you received a lot of emails, you were always confronted with I got to delete emails to make more space in my account. So when Gmail launched, they thought, how much storage should we have? So they decided to, at first they were like, 100 megabytes, which was more than the competition. But eventually they said, no, you know what, we're going to give 1 gigabyte of storage space, which was a lot at the time. And if you remember, Gmail was an invite-only email first. And the reason for that is because apparently they were running on 300 Pentium 3 computers. And so they didn't have enough storage space to, be an open email immediately. It took time for them to construct the infrastructure and have enough space for newer accounts. And, of course, it caught on as one of the most popular emails now today. And it is still used by a lot of people. When it was launched April 1st, the way that the posting was done by Larry Page looked like a joke. So a lot of people thought, well, this is an April Fool's joke, making a email for Google. And it took 3 years of working at Google in secret to actually create and have Gmail working. And it was based on JavaScript. And still today, a lot of people use Gmail. Do you use Gmail? What's your favorite email provider? 20 years. Time flies. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.